How to solve Roblox two-step verification not coming. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're having trouble with Roblox two-factor authentication and you're not getting the code, don't worry. This video will explain a simple fix. So first of all, what I want you to know that when you try resetting your Roblox code, do not repeatedly tap on resend code option. Doing this too many times can lock your account. And if you haven't tried too many times yet, wait for 10 minutes and try resending the code. And if that does not work, you can use a VPN. You can open your Google Play Store first and then search for any VPN that you prefer. Go through the list of VPNs and simply install one of them and launch it, and also launch the Roblox application. Beside these options, before you sign in, you can also go through the quick sign in option and then scan the QR code from your logged in device camera. And if you're still having problems, you can report it to Roblox. For that, open your web browser, search for Roblox Help Center, and there you will see the option of Roblox support. That is the initial option over here. Tap on it. Now tap on Roblox account. Tap on logging in with your email. Now scroll down and there you will see the option of need more help, contact support here. And now a contact support page will open, and there you need to enter your username, which is optional, your parent or guardian or your own email address, and then confirm your email address, and also include your issue details like which device you're using, and select the type of help category, how to or technical support. And after that, describe your issue. Explain that you're having problems with your two-factor authentication, and after submitting the report, your problem should be solved within 24 hours. And if you're still having issues after following these steps, you can leave a comment below. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.